Caleb Beevler here, MarineMax, Panama City Beach, standing in front of our newest arrival, the NauticStar 195 Bay. This one specifically is a 2020 model. Boat motor trailer. Trailer is a 115 show. You're going to get similar performance and hole shot as you were doing a 4-stroke 150 with a little bit of price savings on a 115. This one specifically has the titanium hull color, but as we look inside, we've got an awesome opportunity to do some shallow water inshore fishing. We've got a 19-foot bay boat that has a seating capacity of 7 people. Arguably, as I look at the boat, probably don't have 6 friends that I want to take with me, but it's nice to know that if I had the family, the friends, the kids, that we could all go, we could enjoy it. We could spend a day at the island, and on the way back, we could shoot some reds, run up in some real skinny water, and take full access to all the rod lockers, live wells, and rear bucket seats to do some serious fishing. Let's hop inside and take a better look at what comes with this boat. Hey, permission to come aboard. Step on. We step at the console of the boat. We've got a couple different features that we can use and take advantage of for multiple types of use of the boat. Whether we're using our Simrad GPS for fish finder and or chart plotter, or we're enjoying it and cruising and we want to use the glove box as a dry box. It comes with stainless steel polish to keep our cell phones and wallets and other items dry. We can do so there. If we've got the 2 people sitting at the console, we've got a grab rail here that we can bebop along and run inshore and hold on there. All of our stainless steel switches with circuit breakers strategically marked right below their necessary switch, that if we had a problem, we could pop that right there. Lean post right here is that tan soft touch marine vinyl. This is a 5-position lean post currently set up that if I was sitting all the way back, that while my partner here drives, I could get comfortable. If we wanted to use it as a lean post, we could bring it almost all the way forward, about position number 4 out of 5, and have something to lean against, that if we're running that redfish circuit and we need to get down and go, we could bebop along that there. We kick it another degree further, and now we've got a rear facing seat. If we've got kids tubing, water skiing, maybe I just want to look off the back of the boat, I could sit on that lean post and be rear facing. Andy standing there on the transom, and that aft deck could be used as an enormous casting platform. Got a little bit of footprints and dirt here, but nice grease on the hand. As we flip up those rear bucket seats, we've got an option to sit down here and get comfortable as we run to our spot, whether we're fishing, cruising, enjoying it. Bait well in the center, battery switch beside it. If you look inside the gunnels, we've got storage and rod lockers on either side that have in-gunnel storage. We've got more rod storage up front, console seat, secondary bait well. Maybe we're running our cigar minnows up here. We've got a fish box, anchor locker, and rod storage, that if we wanted to have lockable rod storage to store the good stuff, we can put it up there. Trolling motors pre-rigged, pedestal fishing seat up front. The boat is set up to be a wonderful flats fishing bay boat, as well as a cruising, entertaining, and we want to go to the island type boat. NauticStar's got a lot to offer, from bay boats to hybrids to deck boats to truly offshore boats all the way up to 32 feet. With that said, MarineMax carries a wide plethora of 19-foot all the way up to the 32-footer for NauticStar. Come down to the MarineMax Panama City location if you want to get a better look at the inventory or see this boat here in stock. My name is Caleb Beevler. This is MarineMax Panama City Beach. You can check us online at marinemax.com, or you could visit our YouTube page, like, comment, and even subscribe. Engage in the content. We've got several videos going up every single day to keep you caught up on what we've got to offer. Once again, my name is Caleb Beevler. This is MarineMax Panama City Beach, and this is the 2020 NauticStar 195 Bay.